Maturity is learning to walk away from people and situations that threaten your peace of mind, self respect, values, morals, or self worth. No matter how feel, get up, dress up, show up, and never give up. Nobody's ever too busy. If they were interested, they will make time. No matter how hard your life is, go to bed grateful you still have one. If you get tired, learn to rest, not quit. A person who feels appreciated will always do more than what is expected. Life becomes easier when you learn to accept the apology you never got. There are four very important words in life: love, honesty, truth, respect. Without these in your life, you have nothing. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. Talking about our problems is our greatest addiction. Break the habit, talk about your joys. Before you start to judge me, step into my shoes and walk the life I am living. And if you get as far as I am, just maybe, you will see how strong I really am. Exercise is the most potent and underutilized antidepressant, and it's free. Distance yourself from people that bring out the person you are not trying to be anymore. Finally, I realized I was never asking for too much. I was just asking the wrong person. Show respect to people even when they don't deserve it. Respect is a reflection of your character, not theirs.